Hey guys, and welcome back to, there we go. Welcome back to a quick video. What I want to do is I want to cover the options pricing a little better. So questions number 3 and questions number 5 for your homework require to use this table, right? And this table's kind of, well, it's pretty wonky, right? So let's go through and figure out exactly how do we determine what is the price of our options, right? So let's just look at number 3. It says we have a futures options quote. We need to refer to table 23-2. Remember, that's our sample CME group futures option price quotations. And they tell us that we want to purchase a call option on corn futures with a strike price of $3.85. Okay, so right off the bat, we know how much our strike price is, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on table 23-2, and takes us right to our options pricing quote. And the first thing we want to do, and I'm going to see if I can make this a little bigger. Okay, I think that'll work, hopefully. No, not quite. Well, we'll work with it. Okay, so remember, the left sides are the calls, the right side is the put. The last column tells us what it last traded for. So that's the column we really want to use, okay? So the first thing we need to do is recognize that, hey, we want to buy a call option. So we're going to be on the left side of the screen here. And we need to find the strike price that is $3.85. So right here we have $3.85. Now, if we look to the left column on the left, the last column under the call side, we see 12,5, right? What the hell does that mean? Well, 12,5 means that basically each of these calls sells for 12 cents. The comma represents an eighth of a fraction. So we could say then that this the 385 strike is really going to sell for 12 cents plus 5/8 of a cent. So if we just take 5 divided by 8, that gives us 0.625. So the price is actually 0.12625. Okay, so it's basically almost 13 cents, right? The one that was 385, right? Now for 380, they want us to do the same thing, okay? For 380, they say we're going to do a strike, or I'm sorry, in number 5, they say the strike price is 380. So again, to read it, we look over to the left and look at that last column, and we see 15, 0. So right there, that's just 15 cents. So basically, what we need to take away from this is that the first two numbers are the cents that they give us. After that, they're going to have a comma in some fraction, right? And basically, it's an eighth of a cent. So we would have to divide, 5 by 8 to figure out what our strike price is at 385. Okay, so I hope that helps you. I'm going to go back through and redo some of the videos for the in-class assignments for you guys, as well as for some of the students that weren't there. So if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to me, shoot me a text or whatever. I'd be more than happy to answer your questions. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next week.